actually at Beebot, users aren't just our customers, they are our co-creators. My job is to get close to the real pool owners and understand the real problems they're facing with every day. What set us apart is how closely we collaborate with our product team and also R&D team. So when we work together, ideas won't just stay on the whiteboards, they will become real features on real products. Pool maintenance is never an easy job, and pool owners take pride in their backyard. So we want to make sure that not only your pool is clean, but also your cleaner is clean after the pool maintenance.
What users really want is a complete solution. They want a clean pool, but they want it without all the headaches. That led us down a path that nobody in the industry had taken before, an automatic filter cleaning station. Building something that's never been done before is hard. We took many approaches. Tried putting the station in the water, but it was a safety nightmare. We tried modifying the robot itself, but that killed the cleaning performance. Neither option was going to work. You see, safety and performance are both non-negotiable for us. Throughout development, the user insights team was in the lab with us, running usability tests, and making sure we got the perfect balance between performance, safety, and actually being easy to use. The result is that Beebot AquaSense X owners only need to do maintenance once every 2 months, and that's a game changer for them.